Welcome to Auto Resolve. Seeing YouTube error code 4 with the message this video is unavailable. Follow these quick fix to solve it and start watching again.
Fix 1. Disable ad blocker or extensions. Step 1. Open your browser extensions or add-ons page. Step 2. Turn off your ad blocker and any other extensions you suspect. Step 3. Refresh the YouTube page. If the video now plays, the extension was the issue. Disable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Fix 2. Refresh or restart browser app. Step 1. Press the refresh button or hit 5 on the video page. Step 2. Close and reopen your browser or YouTube app. Step 3. Try playing the video again. Fix 3. Clear cache and cookies. Step 1. Go to your browser settings, clear browsing data. Step 2. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Step 3. Clear data and restart the browser. Step 4. Fix 4. Disable hardware acceleration. Step 1. In Chrome, open Settings, System. Step 2. Turn off. Use hardware acceleration when available. Step 3. Close and reopen the browser, then try playing the video again. Fix 5. Lower video quality. Step 1. In the YouTube player, click the gear icon, Quality. Step 2. Choose a lower resolution, e.g. 360p or 480p. Step 3. Try replaying the video. Fix 6. Use a VPN for geo-restrictions. Step 1. Install a trusted VPN app. Step 2. Connect to a country where the video is likely available. Step 3. Refresh the YouTube video.